Seriously, no, I'm not, no exaggeration. Sink.
Oh boy.
And he reeks. Oh, you're on, guys.
Arm deodorant. Intelligent, eh? You know, what the hell are you talking about?
Did you really get my facts?
Yes, I did. Huh?
What's this for?
Well, this is just for me.
Those mini
Hello, Boris.
videos, right?
No, this is for me. You got no problem with that, right, Joey? Just, dog, don't be afraid. I'm not going to bite anybody.
She's got a volleyball game, but she's probably
I know, I saw her after school. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Hello, guys. No, Christ, no. They're cowgirl boots. I would never.
Dad, the camera's on now.
No, it's not.
It is.
Why are you taping? So you can watch us at home.
I like my cat.
Smile, you're on camera.
No.
Why are you wearing a tiger?
I like the tiger catch.
No, I didn't recognize you.
Back.
You followed him there, right? You followed him there.
No, her
No, we were supposed
sister
to-
Yeah,
did.
you know the rodeo sting and everything.
Oh, the groom. So we was there in an hour. I was there.
You were there
I don't know.
5 minutes.
But
Whose head?
you want to teach you singing? No,
Yeah.
just kidding.
Get out of cover.
Sweat.
Oh, I was trying to sing that all day today. I couldn't remember this. I'm gonna make you sing. Jordan, right?
That's when that all falls into place.
Yeah.
Did you guys finish reading your novel? Yes.
Edith, that's there.
Oh, they're coming.
I'm here.
Every time. Dumpy head forgets her keys.
I know. I'm not very ready. Maybe go.
Don't take home video.
Can't watch this. This is 21, no, 22.
Hello, Bronco. How are you, Bronco?
See Richard right there.
Rick forgot Mary's
I'm here to remind you
I
after.
think I have 2 times. Dedicated.
What is kids?
Daughters. Guys, Richard, how are you?
Hi.
Watching it.
Nice.
16 shots. I'm waiting to hear it. He blew 16 shutouts.
And then I got my Alfred song for
7 this year.
emails. So awesome. Oh my God.
7 points from him. We're ahead of where was Jonte playing. They got one.
No, I didn't. I didn't hit it today.
The cat here.
What is a big rat or something?
Where?
It's huge. All across the lake he was running. What about did she kill
You
the
seen
rat?
it?
Yeah.
You seen it?
Huge. Oh, and then Bronco hit something at the lake. Yeah, right. And I thought the rat fell covered in
So
dead.
Give a ride in here. That's
Look at the lights. Did anybody see?
I know. Anybody read a book by F.
Oh yeah, we're not a radical who did that project on that.
No, seriously, all they do is float down this river.
Nice souvenir.
Hey, you can go see the movie this Friday.
Even if you go to film.
Oh, you can't hold that man.
Lights on. There we go. What's with the movie camera today? Like Oscar winning. I mean, it's boring. It's great to watch. And the winner is for best director of the year.
Crystal does in the beginning. That's all I want.
I just want.
Yeah, I know she will.
The main things like best play and stuff like all that other
That commercial that they always go into the crowd
to see who's
and they
there.
show who's there. Best lighting stuff. Thank you very much. I like the thing.
Some people spend like
Supposed to be jesi prozora. Jeti tata.
Sabrina, that's good.
I thought that body.
I couldn't help it, man. What's the guy?
Where's my base?
You guys don't have to worry about playing yet. Lots of work to do. Okay, guys.
So we're built to dance right
Be quiet. 1, 2, ready, and bum bum ba da 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 da. Disgusting.
Oh no, Bronco, my legs hurt.